Hi, I'm Jacob with National Fleet Products, and today we're going to look at a high-capacity loading ramp inside of a high-roof Dodge Ram ProMaster 3500. Let's check it out. As you can see, this ramp stows just behind the rear doors, taking up about 6 to 8 inches of cargo space. Now I want to show you the best feature first. It's our industry-leading external swivel. Look at that. This gets out of your way, allows for easy loading, unloading of packages or cargo, or allows for a forklift to drop a full-size 40 by 48 inch pallet. Now let me show you something else really unique. This ramp has been equipped with an internal swivel option. This ramp could swing in and lock over there to be out of the way on a more permanent basis. Now, let's deploy this ramp and show you what it looks like. Pretty slick, huh? That's because this ramp is spring assisted. It's very easy and ergonomic to deploy. The capacity of this ramp is 3,300 pounds with a free and clear width of 47 inches and a length of 128 inches. Now we have many widths, lengths, and capacities available for all makes and models of commercial vehicles, including a Ford Transit or a Mercedes Sprinter. Now, back to the spring assist, let me show you how easy it is to store. Lastly, I'd like to point out the surface of this ramp. It's a 5-bar diamond plate, it's anti-skid, it's very rough, it allows for good traction in all types of outdoor environments. As you can see, we have some snow today. So that's it, that's the loading ramp. You've seen it operate. Give us a call with any questions, we're here to help. Thanks for watching.